Mayonnaise is one of the most popular condiments worldwide. Its creamy texture and ability to transform any food make it a staple in our kitchens. Whether in a sandwich, a salad, or alongside fries, mayonnaise has earned a special place in many of our favorite dishes. But have you ever stopped to think about what's really inside each spoonful of this famous condiment? Inside each jar of mayonnaise, there's more than you might imagine, and you probably haven't wondered how it's made on a large scale. What ingredients and industrial processes lie behind that perfect smoothness and the flavor we love so much? Today, we'll take you behind the doors of a Hellmann's mayonnaise factory and show you every step of the production process, from the careful selection of oil and eggs to the final packaging that reaches the stores. We'll reveal everything you didn't know about the making of this iconic condiment. How is it possible to create tons of mayonnaise without losing a single bit of flavor? Stay with us to find out, and who knows, you might even change the way you see it. So, get ready, because you're probably not aware of what you're about to see. Let's get started. Step 1. The ingredients arrive at the factory. The first step in the Hellmann's factory is to ensure that the essential ingredients are ready to begin the production process. Have you ever wondered where these basic yet crucial ingredients, like oil, eggs, and vinegar, come from? Each one plays a fundamental role in creating the iconic mayonnaise, and its journey to the factory is as interesting as the manufacturing process itself. Let's start with vegetable oil, one of the key components in Hellmann's recipe. Large tanker trucks arrive at the factory loaded with thousands of liters of oil, which could be soybean, canola, or sunflower, depending on the specific formula being produced. This oil is then transported directly to massive stainless steel tanks designed to maintain a controlled temperature. This control is essential, as the correct temperature ensures the oil retains its freshness and stability, guaranteeing the optimal quality of the mayonnaise that will reach your table. Next, there are the eggs, another essential ingredient for achieving that perfect emulsion that characterizes mayonnaise. In a factory of this scale, it's not about cracking eggs one by one as you would at home. Instead, the eggs arrive in liquid form and are already pasteurized, which eliminates any risk of contamination, such as salmonella. This format optimizes the process and ensures a high standard of food safety. The liquid eggs are stored in large stainless steel tanks where they are kept fresh until the moment they are mixed. Pasteurization is a crucial step that ensures the eggs retain their freshness and properties, ready to be part of Hellmann's creamy mayonnaise. But it's not just the oil and eggs that make Hellmann's so special. Other ingredients, such as vinegar, salt, sugar, and mustard, also arrive at the factory in large quantities. Vinegar, in particular, plays a dual role. It not only provides that acidic touch that balances the flavors, but also acts as a natural preservative. No chemical preservatives here. Hellmann's opts for vinegar instead of artificial preservatives, ensuring that the product not only stays fresh for longer, but also retains its authentic, natural flavor. This small detail makes a big difference in the final quality of the product. Each of these ingredients is stored under controlled conditions to ensure they are in perfect condition before being used. This is a crucial step, as the quality of the ingredients determines the consistency and flavor of the final mayonnaise, ensuring that every jar that reaches the shelves upholds the standard of excellence at Hellmann's. Once the ingredients have been carefully selected and properly stored, the factory is ready to move on to the next step in the process: mixing. Step 2. Mixing the ingredients. This is where the magic of Hellmann's mayonnaise truly comes to life. In enormous stainless steel mixers, the liquid eggs and vinegar are combined first. But what gives mayonnaise its creamy texture? The key is in the oil. The oil is added gradually and in a controlled manner, while the powerful blades of the mixers rotate at high speed to achieve the perfect emulsion. If the oil were added too quickly, the mixture would separate, and the smooth texture we all know wouldn't be possible. However, in the Hellmann's factory, the machines are precisely calibrated to dispense the oil at the exact quantity and speed, ensuring each batch has the same creamy consistency without fail. As the oil emulsifies with the eggs, other ingredients like salt, sugar, and mustard are added to the mixture, providing flavor and stability. At this point, the mayonnaise begins to take shape, and by the end of this process, you have a uniform mixture resembling the unmistakable Hellmann's. This balance of precision and technology guarantees that each jar maintains the quality and flavor that has made Hellmann's famous worldwide. But before moving to packaging, one crucial step remains to ensure each batch meets the highest quality standards. Step 3. Quality control on the production line. Once the mayonnaise mixture is ready, it doesn't go directly to packaging. Before reaching store shelves, Hellmann's mayonnaise must pass rigorous quality tests. Can you imagine how many checks are necessary to ensure each jar maintains the same level of excellence? At this stage, the factory performs strict microbiological analyses to confirm the mayonnaise is entirely free of bacteria or other contaminants. Additionally, the texture and flavor are carefully reviewed to ensure each batch is perfect. Quality technicians take samples and verify that key elements, like the acidity of the vinegar and the amount of salt, are at their exact levels. Hellmann's takes this process very seriously, as it's what guarantees that every jar you buy offers the same superior quality, no matter where in the world you purchase it. Once quality control is passed, the mayonnaise is ready for the next crucial step: packaging. Here, they ensure each jar or bottle is filled precisely, maintaining its creamy consistency so it reaches your hands in perfect condition. Step 4. Automated packaging. The next step is truly impressive: automated packaging. Here, technology plays a crucial role. Have you ever seen a production line in full operation? In the Hellmann's factory, jars and bottles are placed on conveyor belts that carry them through a fully automated filling process. The machines are programmed with millimetric precision to ensure each jar receives exactly the stipulated amount of mayonnaise. This system is incredibly fast and efficient, capable of filling hundreds of jars per minute without error. Once the jars are filled, they move to the sealing machines, where it is ensured that each one is perfectly closed and protected from air. This airtight seal is essential for maintaining the product's freshness and ensuring it reaches the consumer without any risk of contamination. The process is so precise that the jars are completely isolated from any contact with the outside, ensuring a long shelf life for the mayonnaise. With the product sealed, the jars are ready for the next phase: labeling. Step 5. Labeling and packaging. Hellmann's mayonnaise wouldn't be the same without its iconic blue and white packaging. In this phase, the jars pass through an automated labeling system that ensures each unit receives its label quickly and accurately. The machines apply the labels with millimetric precision, ensuring that all important details like ingredients, expiration date, and nutritional information are visible and perfectly aligned. Each jar also receives a batch number, a crucial detail that allows each production to be traced back to its origin. This step is fundamental for quality control and product traceability, ensuring that in the event of any issue, the exact origin of each batch can be identified. With the jars now labeled, the next step is packaging. Here, technology shines again. Highly specialized machines organize the jars into batches and efficiently pack them into boxes, ready for distribution. This system ensures the products are well protected during transport, so they arrive in perfect condition at different points of sale. Step 6. Storage and distribution. Once packaged, Hellmann's mayonnaise is transferred to distribution warehouses. This is where a highly efficient logistics system comes into play, designed to ensure that the product reaches stores with maximum freshness. Hellmann's uses advanced technology to manage its logistics, allowing each shipment to be optimized and reducing delivery times. From the warehouses, the mayonnaise is loaded onto refrigerated trucks, kept at an ideal temperature to preserve its quality during transport. These trucks head to supermarkets, restaurants, and other points of sale worldwide. Within a few days, the mayonnaise, carefully manufactured, is available on store shelves, ready to be enjoyed by consumers. Step 7. Arrival to the consumer. Finally, Hellmann's mayonnaise reaches the hands of consumers. The entire process, from the careful selection of ingredients to final distribution, has been designed to ensure that the product retains its freshness and quality until it reaches your table. Every jar you purchase has passed rigorous checks, guaranteeing that you enjoy a creamy, smooth mayonnaise made with the best quality ingredients, such as premium vegetable oil and fresh eggs. No matter where you are in the world, Hellmann's ensures that the texture and flavor are always consistent and delicious, providing the experience you expect from this iconic brand in every jar. However, while its taste is irresistible, it's important to remember that mayonnaise is a high-fat food. Consuming it in large quantities or frequently may contribute to health issues, such as weight gain or high cholesterol levels. Enjoying it in moderation and pairing it with healthier options is key to maintaining balance in your diet. Now that you know the fascinating process behind the making of Hellmann's mayonnaise, how do you prefer to enjoy it? Will you keep adding it to all your dishes, or perhaps enjoy it with a bit more moderation? Let us know in the comments.